Hey guys, it's your girl Shay back with another video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how I maintain my length and kick those single strand knots and tangles right out of my hair. I'm starting off by saturating my hair with warm water. Warm water helps with my low porosity hair because it helps to penetrate my hair better than cool or cold water does. So I'm just lightly detangling my hair, and I'm going to start by using my almond oil and just spreading it throughout my head. I'm actually using almond oil because it helps to nourish and strengthen your hair, and it's also great for fighting hair loss and damaged hair. So how I do this is just I'm rubbing the almond oil throughout my entire head, because before I begin to detangle my hair, I want to create a barrier for any breakage or anything, because getting the single strand knots out after adding oil to your hair is very simple. I'm just letting my hair run under not warm water, kind of a little hotter, because it helps to slip those knots right out of my hair. Not steaming hot to where it's damaging your hair, but I literally just do that until I've worked all of the single strand knots, tangles. I'm working it right out, and I literally have minimal to no breakage. This is how I keep my hair so long and I don't even get my ends clipped that often. I'm really maintaining it, and my hair is growing at the same time by doing this method. So after I'm done getting all the tangles and single strand knots out of my hair, I'm just going to begin with my wash day. So I'm just washing my hair, making sure that I'm cleansing it. I usually do a cold wash, but I really needed to cleanse my scalp, so I shampoo my hair today. After I rinse the shampoo out, I'm just going to add my conditioner. And what conditioner did I use? I believe I used my Originals, my Hair Mayonnaise by Originals conditioner. I love this conditioner, and I would recommend this if you're trying to, like I said, maintain length with your hair, because the slip that it gives your hair is like nothing less than awesome. And it helps to protect and strengthen your hair from breakage, damage, dryness. It's weak strands, it strengthens them. It's really like my holy grail, honestly, guys. And after I do that on one side, I'm gonna twist that up while leaving the deep conditioner in my hair, and do the exact same thing to my other side. So once I have that in, I'm just gonna let that sit while I continue with my shower. I'm letting that sit for like 15 to 20 minutes to really work into my hair, and I'm letting the steam from the shower really work into my strands. So after about 20 minutes, I'm just gonna detangle my hair with my wide tooth comb and just begin to rinse that out. And after I get that nice and detangled, like I said, I'm gonna rinse that out excuse me. And then once I get that nice and rinsed, I just add my leave-in conditioner, and I finish my shower completely after that, because I like to let my leave-in conditioner really sit in my hair, because honestly, if you add it while you're still in the shower, it melts into your hair. There's no tangles, there's no knots you have to deal with. It really is like great slip for your hair if you add it while you're still in the shower. Because of the steam from the shower, it really helps the conditioner to work in your hair, and it's easy breezy detangling for your style after your wash day. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned, because your girl is back to uploading every day. Make sure you are subscribed if you have not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video.